Going for a walk today. This is a trail that usually you could drive in, but this time of the year is closed. I bought my Fuji X100V. I am going to be using they call a recipe, silly name. I think it's called Timeless Negative. And I have a filter in front of the lens there, a Pro Mist filter. So you're going to get a lot of blooming and stuff like that. There was no epicness to these images, as it was just a little walk pretty much, but I did find that it was very enjoyable to use this recipe. It really does give it an old school kind of vibe with the warm tones. I hope you guys enjoy what this camera can put out. It really does give the images an old school vibe that is very unique to Fuji, I think. Tons of fun, I would say. Well, I was done taking photos. Didn't get a lot of them, as you could tell, but it's time to walk back home and talk to you guys later. Love you.